Alright then, so today is the, whatever day, but I've got the BMW back on the road. I've actually been doing a few miles today. I think I've done 100 and a bit maybe, but I've done about over 150 now. It's like probably 170 miles I've done since I've done that spark plug fix. And it hasn't fired the spark plug. I've been taking on a mixture of roads, on-road, off-road, fast roads, dual carriageways. Held it at 70, 80, well, indicated 80, which is actually like 70 on this, but held it at good speeds and stuff, and engine's been pulling fine. I've had no massive issues or anything. Nothing stands out really. Well, the only thing that stands out with this bike is the fact that it's not as good on road as the R80 is. The R80 is so much nicer on road. Like, you can stick it into a gear and it will just pull away. This one you have to kind of work the gearbox a bit more, but other than that it's fine. Just had to get reused to it, relearn its quirks and stuff, because it was a bit of a quirky bike, and I was like, oh, this is horrible at first I thought, but yeah, it's got better as the day's gone on, sort of thing. It's got better as the day's gone on. Yeah, the BMW is yeah, I gave it a little wash. As you can see, it's a little bit cleaner, but yeah, it's doing all right. I've got new tyres, front and rear. Well, newish tyres, new to me anyway. So that was probably got about 200 miles on it when I bought it, and this rear one is a brand new one. So look at all that lovely tread. Just a nice bit of tread, what you need for road use anyway. But yeah, everything seems to be holding out all right. Yeah, I think I'll have to use it on a trip very soon. I just want to use it on at least a couple of trips. That's what it's there for. That's what it's been used for its entire life. So yeah, I'll get the luggage out and load it up. See, I could either go top box and roll bag or side bags and roll bag. The top box and roll bag is a much nicer idea because it's less width, so it makes it easier to travel with, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll think about it. So yeah, BMW's back, it seems, as long as it gets me home alright. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing this in some more videos. Right, I've got a good 2 or 3 hours to get home, so yeah, I better get going.